If you run out of money before you get paid again, you might want to look into apps that lend money. A report from the Federal Reserve in 2020 says that 35% of Americans would have trouble paying for a $400 to $1,000 expense that came up out of the blue. If you're thinking about getting a pricey payday loan, you might want to look into apps that lend money and compare the fees. Compare our choices for the best apps that lend money to help you find one that might work for you, and you can get up to $1,000 instant money lending. Number 1. Earnin, best overall. Earnin is our pick for the best overall app for borrowing money because of its cash out option, which can give you access to your paychecks early. Earnin promises no interest charges and no mandatory fees, and customers can advance up to $1,000 of their earnings per pay period. When you need money quickly, Earnin can be a cost-effective way to avoid overdraft fees or payday loans. Earnin also offers features to help people protect their accounts from overdrafts. Earnin sends alerts when your account balances are low, and you can automatically access up to $100 of your earnings to prevent overdrawing your accounts. Number 2. Dave, best for low fees. Here's why. If you need cash to avoid overdraft fees or to cover a minor expense, Dave offers up to $1,000 in cash advances. The Dave app doesn't charge interest. Instead, it has a $1 membership fee. The platform encourages users to tip, but tipping is entirely optional. Dave members can access other benefits, such as credit building services, budgeting tools, and a database of side gig opportunities to earn extra income. Number 3. Bridget, best for small loan amounts. Here's why. With Bridget, you can get up to $1,000 without undergoing a credit check. Cash advances may be available in as little as 20 minutes after submitting a request. Bridget has 2 plans to choose from, Free and Plus. The free plan provides financial insights and tips, but doesn't give users access to cash advances. If you want to use that feature, you'll have to enroll in the Plus plan. Rather than charging interest, Bridget charges a flat monthly fee of $9.99 to use its Plus plan. Members can take advantage of features like $1 million in identity theft insurance, budgeting tools, account balance alerts, and credit report access. Number 4. MoneyLion, best suite of online services. Here's why. Through Instacash, MoneyLion customers may be able to get a cash advance for up to $1,000 without paying interest or monthly fees, and without having to undergo a credit check. In addition to cash advances, MoneyLion offers a range of financial services you can manage online. By joining MoneyLion, users also can invest in cryptocurrency, access automatic investment accounts, apply for a credit builder loan, and earn debit card rewards. Number 5. Cora Money, best for large loan amounts and perks. Here's why. Cora offers a wide range of loans, including personal loans. Through Cora, you can apply to borrow $5,000 to $100,000 with a personal loan, and you may be able to get the funds as soon as the same day you apply. But keep in mind that the exact amount of time it takes for money to appear in your account will depend on your bank. Cora doesn't charge origination fees or prepayment penalties for its personal loans. When you open an account with Cora, you become a member and are eligible for its other perks. Member benefits include financial planning and career coaching. Number 6. PayActive, best for transparency. Here's why. PayActive offers early paycheck access, as well as budgeting and savings tools. Customers can get up to 50% of their earned wages before payday, and you choose where to transfer the money. You could have the money transferred to a bank account, pick up cash at Walmart, or transfer your money to Amazon Cash. You can also pay bills right from the app. For people who want to use PayActive to access their direct deposits 2 days sooner, PayActive is free if you sign up for direct deposit to the PayActive Visa card. It's also free to view your accessible balance, prescription discounts, financial counseling services, and savings features. Number 7. Albert, best for managing finances. Here's why. With Albert, eligible employees may be able to get up to 50% of their earned wages early. The Albert app includes budgeting tools that can help people track their spending and get a view of their entire financial picture. Albert also allows people to set up savings goals and to automatically transfer a percentage of their paychecks into savings. Employers can sign up for an optional interest match to help their employees' savings grow. Number 8. Empower, best for early payments. Here's why Empower stands out. With the Empower app, eligible employees can get up to 50% of their earned wages early. There are no credit checks, and there's no cost to the employee. Empower Cash Advance feature is only available to workers employed by participating companies. Empower works with the employers to get employee attendance files and estimates of wages earned. As an employee, when you use the app to request funds, the money is deposited into your Empower digital wallet. There's no cost for you as long as you opt for standard deposit. But if you need the money within minutes, you can choose the instant deposit option for a small fee. Number 9. Chime, best for overdraft protection. Here's why Chime stands out. For workers who aren't eligible for branch or who want to use other banking services, Chime may be a useful option. With Chime, you can get your paycheck up to 2 days sooner through direct deposit. Chime also offers banking services like secured credit cards, high-yield savings accounts, and fee-free ATMs. With a Chime checking account, there are no monthly fees or minimum balance fees. And with its SPA service, Chime will cover up to $200 on debit card purchases with no overdraft fees. There are no fees to sign up. Number 10. Cash App, best for peer-to-peer payments. Here's why Cash App stands out. Anyone older than 18 can sign up for a Cash App account. When you sign up, you can access your paychecks up to 2 days early. You can also access free ATM withdrawals as long as you have at least $300 of income coming in each month. Through Cash App, you can send money to friends or family or pay for services. Plus, you can invest in stocks and Bitcoin with as little as $1. There isn't a fee for Cash App's direct deposit service or to transfer money to other people. There are fees for ATM withdrawals and cash card upgrades. What you should know about apps that lend money. Apps that lend money may be able to help you when you're in a financial bind. For people who are living paycheck to paycheck or who may not have an emergency fund, a sudden expense can leave them scrambling to cover the cost. But apps that lend money often charge fees, even if they don't charge interest. These can range from monthly membership fees to one-time processing fees. Carefully review the terms and conditions before using an app to take out in advance. Emergencies happen, so there may be times when you need to get a small loan or advance on your next paycheck. But if it's happening regularly, you may need to review your budget and identify areas where you can cut back or think about ways to increase your income so that you have enough money to cover your expenses. If you're struggling to manage your debt, consider using a credit counselor with a nonprofit credit counseling agency or a counseling agency approved by the Department of Housing and Urban Development to get advice on how to work on your finances.